Local hospitals in mid-Missouri are affected by the nationwide nurse shortage, as well as the recent surge in COVID-19 patients.
ABC 17's Chanel Porter is live from Boone Health tonight. Chanel, these issues have resulted in more people in the hospital and even hospitals having to turn some patients away.
Deb Lucas, Dr. Robin Blunt with Boone Health said new travel nurses join their team every 2 weeks, but the hospital is still looking for more people. She said that the nurse staffing shortage was heightened extremely during the first wave of COVID-19 cases during the early months of 2020.
When we had our first big wave of COVID all last year, many nurses quit their regular jobs and started traveling to the hotspots.
Dr. Robin Blunt said many nurses chose to travel and work at hotspots to make double and triple the salary. She says many of those nurses have decided to stop looking for work after saving so much money.
We continue to recruit, continue to try and incentivize folks to stay here, but it's everyone is in the same boat right now.
Capital Region and Jefferson City said its healthcare teams are fatigued and fearful as cases continue to rise. Jessica Royston with SSM Health said it has recently brought in nearly 20 travel nurses, and it expects to bring in more. With the shortage of staff, Blunt said this has affected the capacity at hospitals.
We aren't going to compromise safety by just piling more and more patients on every nurse and every tech. Unfortunately, there have been times when we've been full. We've had to turn away patients.
The staff crunch comes as the number of people in hospitals go up. 2 months ago on June 3rd, there were 678 patients hospitalized with COVID-19. 1 month later, on July 3rd, that number increased by 329 to 1,007. And fast forward to yesterday, when that number went up by 855 to 1,862.
We have often had to look well beyond mid-Missouri to find an ICU bed for patients, sometimes St. Louis, Kansas City, and even sometimes Illinois or Iowa.
Blunt said the biggest place where patients are turned away because of staffing is in the ICU because of the skill set required to work in that department. Reporting live in Columbia, Chanel Porter, ABC 17 News.
Chanel, thank you. Health leaders continue to express that cases are mainly among the unvaccinated and primarily younger population. To find where you can get a dose near you, you can visit our website, abc17news.com.